Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by ensuring Eclipse supports the terminal view. Newer releases include TM Terminal, and that makes integration seamless. Once done, install or enable the plugin from Marketplace so you have the terminal host inside Eclipse rather than a separate app. This keeps context and keyboard shortcuts consistent. Then open the terminal view from Window Show View Other and select Terminal. This first step places a shell right in your workspace so you can run commands next to your editor. You'll now create a session and configure how it behaves. Click the plus icon in the terminal toolbar to add a new session. Choose local for your machine, external tools to invoke custom shells, or SSH to connect remotely. Make sure to set the shell path and working directory so commands run where your project lives, and adjust encoding if you see gibberish. Once configured, name and pin sessions and assign shortcuts to rapidly switch. This saves time and keeps your context in. You can now run builds, get commands, and scripts directly inside the embedded terminal so you never leave Eclipse. Use familiar editing keys, copy/paste, and search the terminal buffer. Right-click to save or log output if you need records. When you finish, close or detach sessions. If something goes wrong, like a frozen shell, restart the specific terminal session first, and if that fails, check the error log and disable conflicting plugins. This usually resolves environment or encoding issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.